Good day everyone. For today's video, I'm going to solve sample problems for tolerance. So, a journal bearing is being designed for a shaft with a diameter D is equal to 50 mm. Using the general engineering rule of thumb for running clearances, calculate the recommended clearance between journal and the bush. So, this is our diagram. We have this is the journal and this is the bush, and we have this clearance. So our given is D is equal to 50. So we need to solve for the clearance. So clearance is equal to 50 millimeter times 0.001. So our clearance now is 0.05 millimeters. So next problem. According to LRFD specifications, oversized holes for bolts larger than 1 inches diameter follow different allowance rules than smaller bolts. Calculate the required diameter for a 1.25 inches bolt if an oversized hole is requested. So as you can see, this is our diagram, and we have a 1.25 inches bolt. So we have given D is equal to 1.25 inches. So to solve for the required diameter, so D is equal to 1.25 plus 0.25. So we have D is equal to 1.50 inches. And that's all. Thank you.